What's up guys, welcome back to the Phono Guy, and in this video I am going to do a speed test comparison between the Y9 2K18 and the Mate 10 Lite. So you can see both the devices are in front of me, and let me tell you a few of the specifications for both of these devices. The Y9 2K18 is running on Kirin 659 processor and it is having 4GB of RAM, and the Mate 10 Lite is also having 4GB of RAM and it is also running on Kirin 659 processor, while the Mate 10 Lite is on the Android version 7.0, while this Y9 is on 8.0, which is Oreo. So without any further delay, let's get started. And you can see there is no app running in the background, and let's start the stopwatch right away and start our speed test in both these devices at the same time. And in the first round I will be just doing the speed test and compare both these devices, that which device completes the first round faster and loads all these applications at a faster rate. And you can see right now both are going just head to head. There is only a minor difference. Y9 is actually taking the lead, and in the next round I will be doing the RAM management test for both these devices to see if all these applications which we just opened in the first round are running in the background or not. So we are on the lap set, which is the first round, and here we are retrieving a clip of 10 seconds, which is the same clip recorded in HD on both these devices. So let's see which device completes it faster. So you can see the Y9 is clearly taking the lead. It is winning the first round by only a small margin, as both these devices are on Amazon. And now the Y9 is moving to the gaming section, and same is the case with the Mate 10 Lite, and we have a set of 4 games, and right now we are on to the Temple Run 2, and let's see which device loads it faster. And Y9 has completed it, and it is now moving to the next application, which is the pinout on this phone, and we are moving to the color switch on the Mate 10 Lite. And similar application, the crazy wheel, is on the Y9, and the final application is asphalt on both these devices. And let's see what happens, who is going to win the first round. So Mate 10 Lite is just trying to catch up with this device. It is now opening the asphalt 8, and Y9 has completed the first round, and let's see how much time it has taken. So it has taken a total time of 1 minute and 38 seconds to be precise, and the Mate 10 Lite has taken a total time of 1 minute and 50 seconds. So that's a difference of almost 12 seconds in both these devices in the first round. So that is very strange to see. Both are having 4GB of RAM, Kirin 659 processor. Maybe it is not very well optimized on the Mate 10 Lite. That's why it did not perform very well as compared to the Y9 2K18. Now let's move to the next round and start the stopwatch again in both these devices. So now we have moved to the next round, which is just the RAM management test. It has nothing to do with the speed, so it does not take into account of which device started first. It is just to see the RAM management, and let's see if all these applications which we have opened in the first round are running in the background or not. And you can see right now both these devices are going blazing fast. Everything is present in the background where we left it, and actually Y9 is a bit stuck on the lap set. I don't know what happened with this application and all other applications. Oh my gosh, both these devices have great RAM management. You can see all these applications are present in the background, and Mate 10 Lite has taken a total time of 2 minutes and 27 seconds. And let's see how much time Y9 has taken. That will be very interesting to see, and similar time, that is very interesting to see, which is the same time taken by both these devices of 2 minutes and 27 seconds. Actually Mate 10 Lite took a very fast trip in the second round, and it just completed the second round very blazing fast, and RAM management was very great on this device. Although the first round was very disappointing, there was a difference of almost 12 seconds, but in the next round it catched up with the Y9, and both these devices have come up with the similar results in the final round, which was the RAM management test. But in the first round the Y9 is actually a bit quicker in opening the different applications. You can clearly see it was at 1 minute and 38 seconds, while Mate 10 Lite took 1 minute and 50 seconds in the first round. And in the second round both these devices have come up with the same time, which is the 2 minutes and 27 seconds. So the first round winner is clearly Y9, but in the second round there is a tie. So that's it guys, this was the speed test comparison between both these devices. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then give this video a thumbs up, and up till next video, bye bye and peace.